Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to make WhatsApp ask every time it needs access to your location. This setting gives you more control over your privacy and ensures that WhatsApp only accesses your location when you want it to. Let's dive into the steps. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and permissions. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll through your list of apps until you find WhatsApp. Once located, tap on WhatsApp to access its settings. This is where you can manage permissions specific to the app. Now, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of all the features WhatsApp can access on your device, such as your camera, microphone, and location. Select Location from this list to adjust its settings. Finally, choose Ask Every Time as the permission setting for location access. By selecting this option, WhatsApp will prompt you for permission whenever it needs to use your location. This ensures that you're always in control of when and why your location is shared. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings so that WhatsApp asks every time before accessing your location. This simple change adds an extra layer of privacy and allows you to decide when sharing your location is appropriate. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want more control over their app permissions. See you next time.